Hello guys, in today's video we are going to look at how to search Google with image. Now let's open our Google Chrome and get started. Now if you are on iPhone or Android phone, you can also use this approach. So now after opening your browser, please go visit the Google website. That is google.com. Google.com. Okay, so this is google.com. After opening google.com, in the search bar right here, you can see beside it, we have what we call the search by voice. This means that if you want to search something on Google, you can actually click on this guy to use the voice message to talk to Google to search whatever you want to search. You can also click on this guy right here, search by image, to select a picture and get more information about the picture. So now I'm going to use the search by image. So I'll click on it. After clicking on it, I have some options. I can paste a link here to search more about the image, or I can drag the image and come and put it here, or I can click on upload a file to get more information about the image. So I'll click on upload a file. So now I'll go and look for a picture on my desktop. So this is the picture. I'll click on it. So now it is uploading. I'm expecting to get more information about the picture. Okay, so after searching on the picture, this is what Google says. It says this is the picture that I uploaded. It is the official logo for University of Education Winneba. So as you can see, this is all about the picture that I searched. So this is how to search Google by image. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, kindly put it at the comment section for me. Peace.